Hello students, how are you? I hope you are healthy, fit and fine at home. Students, I am going to take GK subject and our topic is body part. Our topic is body parts. But first I am going to recite a poem for you. Okay students? 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. You can see this rhyme at this side of your book. Okay student? Now we recite it again. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 10 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. Okay student, I hope you enjoy this rhyme. Now come towards the body part. You can see many body parts in this page. You can see there are many body parts. Like first you can see this body part. This is our head. This is our head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. You can see the head. Now, these are our hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Now, come to the hair. These are our two eyes. These are our two eyes. This one is our one eye. The spelling of eye is E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. Now you can see your ears. These are your two ears. Okay. The spelling of ear is E-A-R. Ear. Spelling of ear is E-A-R. Ear. Now come to this side. This is your nose. What is this? This is nose. The spelling of nose is N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Now come here. These are teeth. These are teeth. The spelling of teeth is T-E-E-T-H. T-E-E-T-H. Now this is your neck. This is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Now this part is shoulder. This part is shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Now this part is chest. This part is chest. C-H-E-S-T. Now come to this part. This is your arm. A-R-M. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. This part is your arm. This is your thumb. You can see this is thumb. You can see this is thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Now these are fingers. These are fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers in each hand. I have 4 fingers in each hand. This part is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Now this is our leg. This part is leg. L-E-G, leg. The spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. Now this is knee. This is called knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Now this is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. This is foot. If we indicate two, then it is called feet. F-E-E-T, feet. but here we indicate only one foot. So the spelling is F-O-O-T, foot. Now these are toes. These are toes. We have 5 toes in our each foot. Toes की spelling होती है T-O-E-S. T-O-E-S. In this way you show your body parts through the picture. Now come to the next page. Here we have to write first letter of the name of the body part. You can see 4 body parts here: eyes, nose, leg and lips. You can see eyes, nose, leg and lips. You know the spelling of eye? E-Y-E-S. Spelling of eyes is E-Y-E-S. Y-E-S is already written. We have to write only E here to complete this spelling. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now next picture is nose. The spelling of nose is N-O-S-E, nose. So we have to write here N to complete the spelling of nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next picture is leg. Spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. So we have to write here L to complete the spelling. L-E-G, leg. Next picture is lips. L-I-P-S, lips. So we have to write here the letter L to complete the spelling. L-I-P-S, lips. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Because here we have 2 eyes. So we write the spelling E-Y-E-S. Okay. Now nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Lips, L-I-P-S, lips. Now come to the next page. You can see sense organs and their function. You know about the sense organs? Through body parts, through we can see, hear, feel, smell and taste. These body parts are called our sense organ. Like we can see with our eyes, we can hear with our ears, we can feel with our skin, we can smell with our nose and we can taste with our tongue. So now first we have the spelling see. S-E-E-C. C means देखना. Through which body part you can see? You can see with your eyes. You can see with your eyes. आप किससे देख सकते हो? आप अपनी आँखों से, आप अपनी आइज से देख सकते हो. So we can see with our eyes. We are going to match this with the eyes through with the help of the scale. Take a scale and draw a line. Okay. We can see with our eyes. S-E-E-C. We can see with our eyes. Next one is hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. We can hear with our ears. हम कैसे सुन सकते हैं? हम हमारे ears के through सुन सकते हैं. You can see the picture of ears. Yes, here is the picture of ears. So we have to match H-E-A-R here with the picture of ears. Okay students, now I am going to match this like this. Okay, now the next one is feel. F-E-E-L, feel. We can feel with our skin. We can feel with our skin. You can see the picture of skin. Is this skin? No. Is this skin? Yes. We can feel. यहाँ पे इसको क्या कर रहा है? चूटी भर रहा है. तो इसको फील हो रहा है कि उसको दर्द हो रहा है. So you can feel with your skin. Okay students. So I am going to match this. Now smell. Smell is already matched with the nose. We can smell with our nose. We can smell with our nose. The spelling of smell is S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Now the last one is taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. वी कैन टेस्ट विथ अवर टंग. टंग मीन्स अपनी जीभ. टंग मीन्स जीभ. हम टेस्ट किसके थ्रू कर सकते हैं? हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं हमारी टंग के थ्रू. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मैच द टेस्ट विथ द टंग. In this way we match the body parts name with their, we match the sense organs with their function. Okay students, we can taste with our tongue, we can feel with our skin, we can smell with our nose, we can see with our eyes, and we can hear with our ears. These are our external sense organ. Now come to the next page. What you can see? You can see the functions of our sense organ. Okay students, you can see the function of our sense organ. First, nose. What the boy is doing? He is smelling something. वो क्या कर रहा है? किसी चीज़ को स्मेल कर रहा है. उसके हाथ में कुछ फूड है और उसको वो स्मेल कर रहा है. तो वो स्मेल किसके थ्रू करता है? नोज. सो द फंक्शन ऑफ नोज इज स्मेल. यू कैन सी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्मेल. SMELL. वेयर इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्मेल? Spelling of smell is SMELL. Smell. So I am going to match this one with smell. Okay students. Now second one is ears. What we can do with our ears? We can hear with our ears. Hear की spelling क्या होती है? HEAR. You can see the spelling of ear anywhere? Is this here? No. Is this here? Yes. So I am going to match it with this picture. Now eyes. What they are doing? They are watching television. You can see they are see television. So what is the function of eyes? We can see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. So I am going to match it. Now next one is hand. What can you do with your hands? You can clap and do other things. Means कि you can hold anything with the help of your hands. You can clap with your hands. These are the function of the hands. Now the next one, it is already matched. Now next one is leg. What can you do with your legs? You can walk, you can run, you can dance through with your legs. So walk and run is the function of leg. You can walk and run with the help of your legs. Okay. Now I am going to match this. Okay, now there are filling the blanks with the name of body parts. I can see with my. आप किसके थ्रू सी कर सकते हो? Here is the picture. You can see with your eyes. So the spelling of eyes is EYES. You can see with your eyes. I can see with my eyes. Next one is I eat with my. आप किसके थ्रू ईट करते हो? हम ईट करते हैं हमारे माउथ के थ्रू. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ माउथ इज MOUTH. You can see the spelling at this at here. Now the next one is I smell with my. आप किससे स्मेल करते हो? You can smell through with your nose. The spelling of nose is NOSE. nose. Now next one is I catch with my. आप किसके थ्रू कैच करते हो? अगर आप बॉल से खेलते हो तो आप किसके थ्रू कैच करते हो? I can catch with my hands. आप किसके थ्रू कैच करते हो? With my hand. I can catch with my hands. Okay. Now next one is I hear with my. आप किसके थ्रू सुनते हो? Hear किसके थ्रू करते हो? आप करते हो ears के थ्रू. किसके थ्रू करते हैं हम hear? HERE. ears. हम किसके थ्रू ईयर करते हैं? ears के थ्रू. ओके. आई कैन सी विथ माई आईज. आई ईट विथ माई माउथ. आई स्मेल विथ माई नोज. आई कैच विथ माई हैंड एंड आई हियर विथ माई ईयर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Here are some more body parts. Okay, first you can see I. So here we match the spelling E-Y-E-I. Now next one is hand. We have to find the spelling of hand. H-A-N-D. We already know the spelling of hand. We already learned it. H-A-N-D, hand. So we have to write here the spelling H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. Now the next one is knee. Knee means घुटना. K-N-E-E. K-N-E-E. So we have to write the spelling of knee here. K-N-E-E. Okay, students. Next one is picture of hair. H-A-I-R. So the spelling of hair is H-A-I-R. Next the picture of nose. N-O-S-E. So we have to write the spelling of nose here. N-O-S-E. In this way we complete the spelling of this pictures. Okay. Now there are picture of take care of my body. Taking care of my body मतलब कि हमें हमारी बॉडी के लिए किस तरीके से केयर लेनी चाहिए, कि किस तरह से सावधानी बरतनी चाहिए हमारी बॉडी को अच्छे से रखने के लिए. नाउ फर्स्ट यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ अ गर्ल. शी इज़ ब्रशिंग हर टीथ. वो क्या कर रही है, अपनी टीथ को ब्रश कर रही है. तो क्या हमें हमारे टीथ को ब्रश करना चाहिए रेगुलरली? यस. सो वी हैव टू टिक. वी हैव टू डू दिस. ओके. वी हैव टू ब्रश एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस अ डे. नाउ हियर इज़ अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल. बॉय क्या कर रहा है? बॉय यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? बॉय कर रहा है विस्लिंग. सो हमें विस्लिंग करनी चाहिए. हमें कभी सीटी बजानी चाहिए? नो, हमें कभी भी सीटी बजानी नहीं चाहिए. सो हम इसको टिक नहीं करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज एयर गर्ल इज़ वॉशिंग हर हैंड्स. क्या कर रही है? अपने हैंड्स को वॉश कर रही है. तो हमें हमारे हैंड वॉश करने चाहिए. सो यस, वी हैव टू टिक राइट ऑन दिस. ओके. Now students, what you can see in the next picture, you can see a girl is taking a bath. What she is doing? She is taking a bath. क्या हमें रोज़ रेगुलरली नहाना चाहिए? Yes, we should have take a bath regularly. So it is a good habit. So I am going to take it right. Okay. Now in the next picture, girl is combing her hair. What is girl doing? गर्ल इज़ कॉम्बिंग हर हेयर. गर्ल क्या कर रही है? अपने बाल बना रही है. सो वी शुड कॉम्ब आवर हेयर परफेक्टली. सो इट इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज वी शुड हैव टू टेक अ रेस्ट. यस, वी शुड हैव टेक अ कंप्लीट स्लीप एट नाइट. सो इट इज़ अ गुड हैबिट टू. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज girl is reading a book. Is reading a good habit? Yes, reading is a good habit. We should read books. Okay. So I am going to take it right. Now next one is you can see that here we have to trim our hands. We should trim our nails. We should trim our nails regularly. हमें हमारे nails को कट करके trim कर देना चाहिए. Okay, it is also a good habit. So I am going to take right on it. So brush your teeth regularly, wash your hands clearly, take a bath regularly, combing your hairs is a good habit, take a sleep at night is a good habit, reading book also is a good habit, and trim nails is also a good habit. So in this way you can see in this video I taught you about the body parts, about the sense organs and their function, and care for our body. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay students, take care, stay at home, stay healthy. Bye bye.